what is Magnesis? It's a card, but it's more than that.
It's a card, it's more than that, but let's take it back to where it all started.
Okay.
This is Billy McFarland, the guy who created the most outrageous music festival that never happened. Fire Festival was an ultra-exclusive music event held on Pablo Escobar's private island. It was supposed to give everyone a taste of the millionaire lifestyle. Luxury villas, gourmet meals, insane parties. Think Instagram influencers on steroids and you're 20% of the way there. The ticket for the festival cost thousands of dollars, sometimes even tens of thousands. But Billy ended up in jail for 6 years because the festival was a complete scam and a disaster. Why is this relevant to you? The Fire Festival kids were not alone in that they were chasing the millionaire lifestyle like so many other people. We live in a world where a large portion of internet experts are doing exactly what Billy McFarland did, the same things that actually put him in jail. Instant wealth, money beyond your wildest dreams, all in 30 days or less. And if you're like me, you've gone down this rabbit hole before. You've chased money, and truth be told, it's destroying your life. My goal for this video is simple. I'm going to show you how to get what you want in your life financially. This is stuff that's worked for me over the past 10 years, and I know it'll work for you too. And yeah, it didn't happen overnight for me, and it's probably not going to happen overnight for you either. That's okay. And for now, all you've got to do is tap the like button. Seriously. Humans are designed to crave what they don't want. It's what's kept us alive for centuries. If you saw another family of hunter-gatherers who were doing better than you, had better shelter, better food, then you had to do whatever was necessary to be more like them and have what they had. So money, like all those things, is a scarce resource, and we are hardwired to crave scarce resources. We follow internet gurus who tell us the better shelter is behind a paywall that's going to help you do more, make more, all in 30 days or less. And when you don't have money, it's so easy to get sucked into these different money-making schemes because we're hardwired to look for an easier way, a better way. You probably don't come from a wealthy family. You've had to work for everything else you've ever got in your life. And it's tiring. And when someone says there's an easier way, it's tempting to believe them. For my entire life, all I ever wanted to be was a millionaire. I wanted to be able to buy expensive things, live in a mansion, buy overpriced clothing, and have wild nights out. But after building multiple businesses over the last 10 years and legitimately becoming a millionaire, I've got a few things to tell you. Number one, the lifestyle that's been sold to you is an empty pile of crap. Number two, you don't need a mansion. No one does. 3, having millions in the bank is actually a terrible idea. Search the deposit guarantee scheme of your favorite bank if you don't believe me. 4, bottle service and wild nights out are fun for a short period of time. There are so many problems with chasing money. It forces you to make bad decisions. It keeps you incredibly short-sighted. And you'll keep lying to yourself saying, if only I had more information. Here's the thing, if it was always about information, librarians would be billionaires. But they're not, or some of them. Basically, you have to produce more than you consume, and we'll get into that in much more detail. The more your life costs every single month, the more trapped you'll become. Think about it. If you live in a mansion, drive a sports car, have expensive clothing, have a private jet, these are all things that every single month are going to be coming out of your bank account. Remember Britney? That's almost $2 million a year just to continue living. Maybe you'll tell me that's an extreme example, but consider this. Whenever I ask members of our programs how much money they would say is a good monthly income, they give me figures like this. About 70% of people who win the lottery go on to lose all of that money. Why? Because they don't know the process that creates money. It was just given to them. Your goal is to become really good at understanding processes. Because processes, or processes if you're weird, they are the true secret to making more money. Now, am I telling you to become a minimalist and take some kind of vow of poverty? No, I'm just telling you, you can live your quote unquote best life for far less than you can imagine. You don't need $30,000 every single month, but what you do need is a process that works, and I'll give you one in just a minute. Money can't buy happiness, right? I'm not sure that's fully true. Having more than enough money has always been a massive motivator for me. That said, the things that make you and me most happiest in life are incredibly simple and cost a tiny amount of money. I'm happiest when I'm spending time with my family and my friends, and I'm playing golf, I'm watching TV, I'm reading, I am playing FIFA. And sure, Like a lot of people, I enjoy a holiday away. But am I staying in a $3,000 per night suite? Nah, my monthly cost of living is about $4,500 US. I have a nice home, but I don't need 14 bathrooms. I have a nice car, but I don't need a supercar. I don't buy clothes very often. I buy them when I need them. I don't travel all year round. I love where I live. And yes, I have traveled plenty, but like anything, if you do it too much, it just becomes empty and meaningless. What are we really chasing? Fun, connection, momentum, contribution. What you really want in life will not cost that much money. The things that you're looking for, they are traps in disguise. We need enough money to feel secure and not have to think about money. That's freedom. So don't be a slave to a lifestyle that Instagram thinks is cool. It's not really. How is money actually created? What we think creates money is actually the complete opposite of what does create it. It seems to make sense to just focus on the money part. That's what you're looking for. The trouble with that is you're focusing on the effect and you're not looking at the cause in any way. If you want to start making more money, what have you got to do? Start focusing on the cause and you will create more money. If you didn't get a massive aha from this right now, well, I will just keep going. Society tells us it's all about the idea. If I can create the next big thing, then I'm going to be successful. In other words, you have to be special in order to make any money whatsoever. The media only reports on stories that are really positive or really negative. Why? Because they want us to keep watching. So they sell us the lottery version of business. And we think that's how business works. Here's the truth. You don't have to be special to make money. You just have to take what other people have already done, do it better than the majority, and that's it. Also consider the words we're using. Create. Make. Creating means to bring something into existence. Make means to cause something to come into existence. Do you see it yet? It's cause and effect. That's the secret. So does your cause or whatever have to be world changing? No, it just needs to solve a problem. To get the effect of money, you solve problems for people, and the result is money. The secret, I've said secret a lot, to making this all work, hit the like button. Want the second biggest? Become better at doing than talking about it. Here's a lie that I hear almost daily. It's possible to make money without money. Most businesses require capital to buy assets that they can then buy and sell. You're always using some kind of resource. If it's not money, it's time. Don't go broke chasing businesses that cost no money to start. Instead, focus on real businesses that take real capital to start and will get you real results. Also, know this. When you invest in a solid business with a proven process, you're going to multiply your investment. So it's not a cost, it's a gateway to making more. If you're ready to do what's required to bring more money into your life, I recommend you check out one of these videos that's on screen right now. They're going to help you get started with the same process that we have now taught to more than 8,000 people. And it's the best way to get started learning a new skill and learning how to sell your own branded products on Amazon. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you check out some more of our videos as well. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I said video so many times.